If you're waiting for a shipment of goods, you may have significant delays. This as Kingston Wharves is warning Jamaicans to brace for a potential fallout due to the Russia-Ukraine war. Dwayne Anderson explains.
The bombs and missiles are exploding in Ukraine, but some of the shocks are being felt in Jamaica. Chief Executive Officer of Kingston Wharves, Mark Williams, is warning that as the Russia war against Ukraine intensifies, there will be delays in the shipment of goods. During an interview with our news center, Mr. Williams explained that some of the world's largest movers of cargo recently made decisions which will negatively affect Jamaica.
It's an issue of ever-increasing cost, more delayed time in getting your goods from the supplier. Maersk and MSC, two of the world's largest shipping lines, have announced that they've suspended service to and from Russia. And, as Denzel and John made mention of, the myriad of commodities that would come through Russia, certainly for Jamaica, wheat. And certainly, if I think specifically of Kingston Wharves, we moved in excess of 450,000 cars last year. And this issue with the semiconductors. So again, the ripple effect is going to be great, but more rising costs, more delays, etc., etc.
And it's a case of one problem to another for Jamaicans who depend on the operations of the port, as the COVID-19 pandemic has also caused major supply chain issues which led to delays and a surge in shipping costs over the past 2 years. Mr. Williams admitted that, unfortunately, the situation with shipments will continue for an indefinite period.
And we're in the middle of what I call a perfect storm. We're just getting out of the pandemic, notwithstanding China with their zero COVID policy. They're closing ports still, issues in the US at their ports with contract negotiations, and now this war in the Ukraine. Severe supply chain issues. There are going to be continued delays. John and his team will have to quickly be looking at secondary markets for their inputs, stockpiling, etc., etc. So it's going to be more of the same.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.